welcome to my channel. Start your day with these 10 easy and delicious healthy breakfast ideas. Today, we're going to share with you easy and delicious recipes for a healthy breakfast that will have you jumping out of bed in the morning. 1. Start your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie bowl, topped with a variety fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds for that extra crunch. 2. Whip up some overnight oats the night before, so you can grab and go in the morning. Customize them with your favorite toppings like berries, honey, or almond butter. 3. Power up with a protein-packed egg muffin. Simply whisk together eggs, veggies, and cheese, then bake in a muffin tin for a portable and delicious breakfast option. 4. Craving something sweet? Try making banana pancakes using just 2 ingredients, ripe bananas and eggs. It's a simple and healthy alternative to traditional pancakes. 5. Give avocado toast a twist by adding a poached egg on top. The creamy avocado and runny yolk combination is sure to satisfy your taste buds. 6. For a hearty breakfast option, make a veggie-packed frittata with eggs, spinach, tomatoes, and feta cheese. It's a great way to sneak in some extra veggies first thing in the morning. 7. Jazz up your classic oatmeal by adding cinnamon, apples, and a drizzle of honey. This cozy combination is perfect for chilly mornings. 8. Treat yourself to a yogurt parfait layered with granola, fresh berries, and a dollop of almond butter. It's a refreshing and satisfying way to start your day. 9. Enjoy a protein-rich quinoa breakfast bowl with sautéed greens, avocado, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. It's a filling and nutritious option that will keep you full until lunchtime. 10. Lastly, indulge in a warm and comforting breakfast burrito filled with scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. It's a savory and delicious treat that you won't be able to resist. And there you have it, 10 easy and delicious recipes for a healthy breakfast that will revolutionize your morning routine. Give these recipes a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who could use some breakfast inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!